In the district headquarters of Karbi Anglong Dipu, the streets are beautifully decorated with colorful lights and street lights that enhance more beauty to the town. However, yesterday morning around 3:30 a.m., two individuals tried to destroy it by trying to steal away battery of solar street lights that was in front of the Ejang Service Station or petrol pump in Birla under Dipu Police Station. Luckily, security guard Rohit Togbi caught them and stopped them from doing so. Rohit Togbi informed the media that the thieves also tried to bribe him by offering him a sum of rupees 500. However, instead of accepting their offer, he stopped them from stealing the battery of the solar light. Taking advantages of the dark, the thieves managed to flee from the scene.
Malah ni lipun ada charge ikdom. Usahanya hadi ni pun nang kian si bang. Malang tu mang kapiri si ikdom malu bani thai. Kadang pasal kena kek kadang si di rorak lo. Mani han angkela tunang pulang mana ani bahani mati ni kan mati. Anak apor ke. Alang tu mani han sonang pila. Pasal galang. Haru kau sar api besar tu. Aku juga dari lejan itu. Mani bangta. पैसा के बाद क्यों दिया भाई हमको पैसा नहीं चाहिए मुझे तो वो बेहतर चाहिए फिर भी तुम वो क्यों किया जो चोरी तुम क्यों किया वो भी यह डिफू के अंदर में डिफू के सिटी के अंदर तुमने क्यों चोरी किया मुझे पैसा की बात मत करो मुझे पैसा नहीं चाहिए साथ समय तुम लोगों को भी काम करना।
But the most surprising news came in when a man with a scooty went to the petrol pump to ask for the stolen battery and checked the CCTV footage of the incident. One of the thieves' face was captured from the footage. However, no further details about him could be gathered till now.
एक घंटा पिन dak sir stop bang हम फोन कॉल है रोहित वो बैटरी लेने के लिए कोई आया है यार है आप मुझसे बातचीत करो ना पुल है मनी ले बैंक फोन चाहिए लो आरामी बनाना ना पुल जे अच्छा नीली फोन का तुम से ला बैटरी का तुम से bang लो jika sas hana thandi
Karbi amunin ma
Karbi amu hana chinki hai jika sas na tos ni li betin kan thum si bang lo hana pu amani bang ta konma asal ni chinni ko de ta kumala ala so sar hana pachingi thaps ni ta ki pudun.
Rohit Togbi also said that the people of Karbi Anglong must try and preserve and maintain the beauty of the district or any developmental materials provided by the government and not try to destroy it by theft or any other means. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live.